Hello and welcome. What is this about? It's about protecting the operational resilience of your critical business applications in the technical and commercial IT. It's about protecting your workers and, as a result, protecting your peace of mind. The service quality of your business applications is crucial to a variety of stakeholders. The business heavily relies on the applications as they are used in core processes. Outages impact the workers' productivity and their end customer experience and may result in rework. And outages are typically very expensive. So business managers are concerned about service quality and productivity. IT operations job is to monitor the entire IT of the organization and to respond to critical incidents immediately. Unfortunately, their event management tools are often focused on servers and network, but not really on applications. And building a custom monitoring can be difficult and come with high efforts. Their concern are service levels. The application administrators suffer from a lack of insight into the entire application platform end to end. They fall victim to failures of middleware and infrastructure components, but get blamed for the outage, as the end user only see their application, not the complex platform behind. The daily health checks that have to be done are mundane routine work and not really fulfilling. And they more and more need to manage both the old world and the new world, as they will coexist for quite some time, whether it's on premises, in the private cloud, or in a hybrid cloud. Their concerns are the service quality of the applications and their own productivity. The solution is CENIT Service Monitor or CSM. CSM protects your productivity and helps maximizing your user and end customer experience. At the same time, CSM takes off the cost pressure in operating the applications. It automates mundane routine checks and supports your IT service management processes. Your administrators get relieved and can focus on high value activities. Service levels are met in a more cost effective way. CSM monitors the application ecosystems proactively in one single point of control, covering application components and their middleware and infrastructure. The monitoring is not limited to the isolated components, but can cover their interaction. A knowledge base can be configured to provide information about possible error codes and corrective actions, so you can create your own instructions for your unique environment. Automation tasks help to simplify repetitive tasks, for example, restarting of components or collecting troubleshooting information. Triggered by an event, they can even be used to automatically respond to incidents. CSM monitors your applications wherever you run them, on premises, on cloud, as traditional installation, or as container deployment. Of course, CSM provides automated alerting and interacts with your existing event and incident management tools, for example, to feed critical events to tools like Nagios or ServiceNow, so you can process them along with events from network and infrastructure. CSM covers your applications and their crucial middleware and infrastructure. You can monitor health information of your application servers, web servers, and databases, as well as your infrastructure. This includes the monitoring of their log files, for example, web system out or the DB2 diag logs. Setting up a custom monitoring for homegrown and third party applications is easy, using pre built monitoring probes and log file adapters. The key value for your business units is that CSM protects the productivity of your workers. CSM helps to minimize negative impacts on them and your end customers, also avoiding the need for rework caused by outages. The key value for your IT is to automate routine monitoring of the applications. CSM relieves your administrators from mundane manual checks, which reduces IT costs. At the end of the day, CSM provides peace of mind to all stakeholders involved. One outage avoided can pay for the entire solution. To get the best value, we recommend a tailored implementation. Based on our best practices, we would implement a solution that fits your needs. We also provide CENIT Service Monitor as a managed service. In this case, you only consume the solution and we take care of the implementation as well as the ongoing operation of CSM. The CSM software licenses are also included in this managed service. So protect your peace of mind the smart way. Make your life easier and get started now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.